here we are. Right now, we are going to get started on installing our cruise control. Since my truck is a manual, you need to get a clutch switch. When you have the clutch pushed in, it lets off this little button here, and that pretty much just tells the system that cruise control is not going to work. But when the clutch is not pushed in, it just holds this button into place. The cruise control will work. My truck's already, I'm about 99% sure mine is pre-wired, because I have a plug for my switch. The plug is just down in there dangling under the dash. So let me go ahead and show you guys that, show you what it looks like. All right, what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna get in here. Let me get my light here. We have this right here. This is the plug. That is where we're gonna be plugging our clutch switch. So there's the plug. The Tacoma, it just came like this. It's been here since the day I bought the truck. And this is where the button is gonna go right here. So we're gonna do that. To get up in there, I'm not gonna be able to get in there from down here. I can tell you that right now. I'm gonna have to remove this. I'm gonna have to take this out, and I may even have to move the fuse box out of the way. So I'm gonna get started on that. There's a bolt back behind here that I've already started to kind of get access to. I think it's 10 millimeter. There's a 10 millimeter right here, and I'm gonna start with those and see what else there is. I think that's probably it. I have removed this bottom part of the dash. I have taken off the fuse box, and I pushed it down out of the way here. If I can get back in there, I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can see there's enough light. See that bolt right there? The spring? Let's just go just to the left, and that bolt right there, where the green, little green pin, that is where we are bolting our clutch switch. Got access to it, I can get in there, I can take that out, put in the clutch switch. Gonna do right now, but once I get it on, I'll show you all what it looks like. I got the screw off. It is a 14 millimeter. I want these to be roughly the same distance. We are plugged in and we are good to go on the clutch switch. Now we are gonna get our cruise control switch. Are gonna go over here, right here. So we're gonna take off the airbag and get in there and get into the wires. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this back together. Looks like a mess. Alright folks, I am just going to cut to the chase and get right down to it. We got our cruise control switch, got a couple of screws here. We're going to remove the airbag on the steering wheel, get access to the plug this in, hook this up, and we should be rocking and rolling. Okay everyone, we are all plugged in and ready to go. If everything goes as planned, when I turn it on and turn on the cruise control, then we should see the cruise light up on the dash. And that's going to tell us that we're ready to go, and I'm ready to go for a test drive. Fingers crossed, let's see what happens here. Alright. Here we go. Oh my god. Dude, I've never seen that light up before in this truck. Alright, time to go for a spin. This is the right side cap of the steering wheel that I had to remove to get the cruise control switch on. And to get this back on, I was just gonna cut a hole in here, do as best job as I could and fit it back on there. But you can go on Amazon, can't remember how much I paid for it, I think it was 10 or 15 bucks. You can get replacements. I just ordered this replacement cap, put it on there, looks real nice and clean.